Okay, so this is my second giveaway, and in this giveaway I will be giving 2 albums, one Japanese Block B and one Korean Vicks, and some fan-made cards. So let's start with first album, and it's Hyde. And I bought it because of the photo card. The photo book is in a perfect condition, as you can see. It's in a perfect condition and it's really pretty. Hyde is the best hair, all of them, the best hairs. I just like all of the hairs. I just can't decide for one. But what was damaged later, it was here, and the CD is in a perfect condition too. So you can see just this place, it's attached and everything. So this is where is the CD. Really pretty. Right. So this is the first one. The second one is Block B Hair, the normal edition, Japanese one. See, Japanese version, karaoke version, and it's official. The sticker, everything is here, just without the photo card. So as you can see, everything there, and the photo book. I want to show it here. I think I did an unboxing. If I didn't, the one who will get it will see it and can show it to others. I do have an extra copy, that's why I'm giving this copy, because just too many. I just didn't know that the photo card will. I was bidding for the photo card I wanted, and I just didn't know that it will come with the CD. So this is the second one. And it will come with Vicks Dynamite fan-made photo card. So this is the first one. Now it's like for the groups where it's just one person. One. No, I said it in Japanese, Spanish. When just one of the members. The whole group. Like the poster. The quality is amazing. I have one for myself, but I didn't see that I was bidding for one, and I would just buy one for the whole price. I thought it would be different one, but I'm still happy because the photo cards are really in such a good quality. So this is for the photo card. So this giveaway will start from the day that I will be uploading this video, and the winner will get all these 3 things. It's international, but to participate you have to subscribe to my channel, to like this video, and to write that you want to be a part of it. You have to write which country you are from, so I can know that I can ship it to you, and because there's sometimes that I can ship to all the places. And tell me if you like these 2 groups, what you like about each of these groups, who's your bias in Block B, who's your bias in Vicks, and what else, what is the song that you liked in this album, Hide, and did you like their songs in Hide, and did you like their song Hair, Block B song Hair? Which version, Korean or Japanese, or both of them? And from what era did you start liking Block B? From what era did you start liking VIXX? This giveaway will be randomly chosen, but the condition will be to answer all the questions, and of course I will write them down below too, the same questions. You have to answer all of them. If you don't answer one of them, you won't be able to enter, because when there's people that answering all of them don't win, I just want you to answer all of them. This was one of the conditions, and everything else will be written down below. Hope you will like these albums. I just have too many extras because of the photo cards and inserts from these albums, and they're coming new albums from them, and I don't have enough place, so I want to give it away for people that really like these groups. So please, if you really appreciate these groups, participate in this. I really want that these albums will go to a person that really is a fan of these groups, and not just to get an album and it will be in your home. Just want you to be a fan of one of them and just like their music if you really answer this giveaway. Not just because, yes, it's a giveaway, it's gonna be free and I want to participate. Please, I don't want this to be the reason, because I'm giving albums that are really dear to me and I really love them, and I want them to go to a place that will appreciate them as much as I do. So that's all I wanted to say, and I did write in my last whole video that there will be 2 giveaways, but I think there will be 3 because I did promise one more copy of VIXX Zealous, but I will upload it little later because I don't have much time until I have time to upload this. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.